Hey Scott, today I've got something that might finally stop your camera from dying in the middle of a shoot. This is Neewer's V-Mount Battery. This thing claims to be 14.8 watt, 99 watt hours, which is powerful enough to charge literally everything. Let's check the box first. Look at that. The box looks clean. You will find the new written in the bottom of the box. Not shabby at all. The font is bold and clean. On the side we have got the model number, which is PS099E, and again it's a V-mount battery. You will find all the technical information on the back of the box. I know all of you technical buff will be very happy. Alright, enough about the box. It's time to get in. Not as smooth as Apple, but I'm not complaining. Next up, the manual. Now let's be honest, manuals are often ignored, but with this one, I actually flipped through few pages because I saw some interesting bits. It talks about the shell material and the intelligent battery management system with overcharge protection. I give you a 9 out of 10 for the packaging. Alright, let's jump to the battery. Let me just quickly pull this battery out. Now while I'm unwrapping this, let me quickly talk about the first thing you notice when you pick it up, which is the size and the feel. It's compact for what it is. Dimensions are about 111 by 73 by 56.7 mm and weight around 1.3 pound according to the manuals. That's pretty good for 99 watt hours of power, travel friendly and rig friendly. I really like the build quality of this battery. Here we got a massive screen which I really like. The casing is a fireproof PCV0 shell with non-slip strips on the sides. You will also notice dust-proof ports on all sides. And the first port you will see here is USB-A and USB-C, which supports bidirectional charging, which means it's not just supports camera battery, it's a mini power hub for your rig, phone and even laptop in some cases. It also got a standard V-mount connector for your cameras. You can also buy the Neewer's Mini and V-Fold mount from their website. By the way, this thing can charge itself in 3 hours if you are using a standard Neewer's charging accessories. And you will also need a 65 watt charger brick. I really like the design and how compact this thing is. Let's see, what do we have got on the top? I think these two are battery port. As per the manual, these two are 8 volt and 12 volt DC. Sounds fancy, but here's the deal. 8 volt powers your camera through a dummy battery. 12 volt runs your monitor or light. It's a simple math. Small gear, small volts. Big gear, big volts. Please don't mix them up. And here's the D-tap, the universal plug of the film world. This thing powers anything with the right cable. Lights, monitors, even your coffee if someone made a D-tap espresso machine. I think we have got some more accessories on the back. Here we go. I think this little guy is the D-tap extension cable, which is basically your power lifeline. It lets you run the juice from your battery to stuff that's not glued to your rig. Honestly though, I feel like this one is a little bit smaller, and I wish Neewer could have supplied with a longer cable. I guess I shouldn't complain, at least they are providing some accessories. This thing costs around $200 in US and 18,000 in India, and it is airline friendly. Oh, before I forget, this thing got a 1.12-inch OLED screen. Alright, and here's a quick look at some features I might have missed, just in case this battery is hiding more tricks than I showed. And that's it for today's unboxing. Thank you for watching TechSense.